Hello, welcome to this series of videos where I will talk about the administration area. In each of the videos, I'll show you in detail what you can do in each of the elements of the menu. In this first video, we will talk about the home page and the statistics that are shown. To access the administration area, you must enter your username and password in the login screen. Once the session is started, the main screen is displayed. From this screen, you can see the general data and statistics of your organization, as well as the progress of the evolution of knowledge. To start, on the right side of the screen, above the graphics, you can add a filter to see from the last 2 to 24 months or weeks, depending on what you want to filter. Next to these buttons, there is the button that will start the download of the metrics of your organization. If you would like to send a message that your colleagues will receive on a smartphone, pressing the Messages button, you will start the process to create one. In the first table, called Activity, there are two graphs. The first one corresponds to all the answers that have been given in the trainings that have been carried out in your organization within the time period that you have selected. The second one shows the number of searches made through the application. The following table, Users, shows the number of users created and the number of active users in your organization. In the lower part of this first page, you will be able to see how the evolution of knowledge has been in your organization. The graph shows the number of questions that have been asked during the selected period and how many questions have been answered among the users. The following two graphs, related to the trainings, show how many questions of the training that have been done are being memorized and how many are already learned. And this is all that the home page shows. I hope you have clarified any questions you have. See you in the next video.